Hey guys, so yesterday I got this Pikmi Pop's Pajama Llama because it was on sale for only $8. And I've had Pikmi Pops before, but never had like this type of one. So I thought I could unbox it with you. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. I actually didn't grab scissors and I think that was dumb because I have a feeling I'm gonna have to go downstairs and get scissors. There we go. And I wanna save this box because it's really cute, so I'm gonna move that. And now we're on to this, and I will definitely need scissors, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, so I actually just, actually just cut the ties, and I can take it off now, but I didn't, because I wanted to do it with you. But I can smell it already, and it just smells so good. Okay, sorry if you hear my dogs in the background, they're barking outside. But, here we go, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, wait, that feels so weird. It feels cool, but like it feels weird. It's like fluffy, fuzzy. How would you explain that? I don't know. I want to smell it. Oh my gosh, that smells so good, but I don't know what it smells like. Okay, let's take it out. Uh-oh. That didn't sound very good. 1 sec. Okay, sorry guys. I just ripped like a little tie in there that was holding it in, which is good because I want to take it out. There we go. Oh, it is so cute. I think I got the bunny. Here, there's a little thing in here. Maybe it will tell me what I got. Oh yeah, so it's like a little thing and it says slumber party. You're invited to a slumber party. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's open it. And it's a little collector's guide. So let's see who I got. Let me just look. Okay, I got Bess the bunny, I believe, and she is right where my finger is. Okay, and on her thing it says she's supposed to smell like blueberry. I don't know if I necessarily smell blueberry, but she does smell good. Okay, so supposedly they're supposed to flip out of this little sleeping bag type thing. I think you just like, I don't know, push out, kind of like the Pikmi Pop flips. Oh, wow, okay. Piece of fluff just flew off of her. Oh, that's cute. So now she's like in a little outfit. That's pretty cute. But like when I popped it, a piece of fluff just flew right off of her. I don't know, I find that funny. Oh, she's so cute and she smells so good. Okay guys, so that was just like a little unboxing my Pikmi Pop with me. If you want me to do more unboxings, just let me know by going to my community page and commenting, because Christmas is coming up fairly soon, I guess you could say, and then I'll have a lot of things to unbox, so make sure you let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.